Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is asking that let A is a set which contains first 100 natural number. Great. Then we have let and R be a relation on A such that this. Okay, so this relationship, just be careful. So, you have relationship R, A comma B such that A equals 2b plus 1. If you will observe now, B can take any number, but if you will take B as any number, the A will become odd number, correct na? Because it is 2k plus something, 2k plus 1. So A is an odd number, B is an anything number. Now, next part is very beautiful. You should pay attention. Let A1, A2. So A1, A2. Next element is A2, A3. So the element by which it will end, it will start from here. Next will start and it will keep on going till K. Be the sequence of K elements of R such that the second entry of an ordered pair is equal to the first entry of the next ordered pair. Great. Then the largest integer k for which the sequence exists. Very good problem. This is very interesting. So look at this how I will solve this problem. So I know that b can take any number. So I will focus on b only. And based on b we will get a. So can I say that suppose b is 1 and b is next, that's why I am writing next first. So if b is 1, a will become 3. Now here it will become 3 because it has to be the same. Now if b is 3 this time, so it is 6 plus 1 7. Now next thing would be 7. You should go in reverse order, okay, because you don't have any restriction on b, that's why I'm focused on b. Okay, so 7, so it will become 15. Now you should go with 15, so it is 31. Now you should go with 31. If it is 31, so it is 62. 62 plus 1, 63. Now if you'll take 63 now, it will go beyond 100. So you cannot take this number. Okay, so this many ordered pair is possible, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hence the required number is 5. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.